The this is which match. You find it. Found it. You keep it here. May similar to star. Now you have to find this socks. Yay! You found it. Good job. So we got all this. Okay. Yes.
It's a magic with this.
Yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside my First Cry Activity Learning Kit. So this is for Christmas holidays kit and it is for 3 to 4 years of age. It came in really nice packaging. I really like the box. It's like a gift box for your kit and I'll show you what's all inside it. So you'll get this how to use manual and then you'll get this star stickers. So when you complete one activity with your kid, you can give your kid a star on the learning calendar this way. And you get this happy tracker wherein you can check your child's progress over the period of time after doing all these activities. Now let me show you my learning calendar. So this is a 30 days activity kit and all the activities are divided into 4 weeks. Now, what I really like about this product is that they have not only given so much effort into creating all these learning activities, but also they have taken care of the packaging also. Like you can see, all the different activities are in different bags, so user will not get confused when to use it and how to use it. Like you can see on the calendar, they have mentioned when to use first activity and the second activity and so on. So it's quite easy for the parent to understand and play with the kid. Now let's open all the bags and see what's inside it. So first you'll get this manual wherein they have mentioned all the materials that's inside the box, and then on the next page they have shown how to assemble it and then how to play with it. This is a snowman building activity. So according to that we have got this cutouts of the snowman in this bag, and also we have got velcro. There is this big sheet also they have given with this activity kit. You have to place your snowman on it and perform the activity. This sheet is very useful in other activities also, so we have to be careful while using it.
Yes, tomato ready.
Yay! Now let's open the second activity bag. This little book you'll get in every activity bag, which will show you what is the material inside it and how to use it. So in this bag, I got this Christmas cutouts and decorative items to decorate the Christmas, which you can see in this picture. And you can assemble the Christmas tree like this, and your kid will enjoy decorating it. Kids, they do love decorating the Christmas tree, so it will be a fun activity for your kid. Now let's decorate the house. Yes, this next activity is about decorating your house for Christmas. For that, you get this house cutout and different cutouts of the different decorative items. And now you have to ask your kid to arrange or to sort all the decorative cutouts according to these cards. And once he or she has done that, then they need to insert all these cutouts in the wire, and after that you need to make a hook of that wire and put that into house. So basically you're decorating your house. This activity is quite fun, however it requires a lot of parents attention. Now this next activity is really fun activity. Me and my kid really enjoy playing it. It's very simple. You simply have to put this snowflake cutouts on the sheet which we have seen in the first activity, and then you and your kid have to roll the dice and look at the number and the pattern that have come up, and then the player should collect the same number of snowflake cutout of the same pattern from the picture sheet. My baby likes to play this sorting game with this cutouts. So I think from all of the activities, this is her favorite. In the next activity bag, you'll get these cards. These are like flashcards, and all the pictures are related to the Christmas. And when you flip it, you'll get some little information about that picture. So this is nice
What is
way
this?
to introduce new words to your kids dictionary,
What is this?
and also to let them learn about it.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
And this?
Christmas house.
No, this is a gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house.
This
Gingerbread.
man. Where is Christmas bell? Mm,
I found
I
it.
found it. In the next activity bag, you'll get this cute little book explaining about the Secret Santa game. Very simple words and simple sentences are used, which are really easy for your kid to understand and also keeps them engaged for a longer time. In the next bag, you'll get this 10 Christmas themed worksheets. Some are on numbers, some are on alphabets, and a couple of sheets are on logical thinking, and some are on colors, like coloring activity sheets also. So these are really nice and a very creative way of engaging your kid on different days and also to make them learn. There was this one more activity which I forgot to mention. In this activity, you have to make gift boxes like this, and you have to make a sleigh out of these cutouts, and then you have to place your Santa on it, and you have to put all the gifts. Like you have to ask your kid to keep all the gifts on the sleigh, and then you have to place this house cutouts on the work on the sheet that we have used in the first activity, and then you have to ask your kid to move around this sleigh on the sheet and give one gift to one house. However, my baby was not ready for it. She was creating her own games with it, and it wasn't fun for her. Thank you everyone for watching us till here. Products link is in the description box, and pricing wise it's on a higher side, so you can wait for the good discount, and then you can definitely buy it. It's a worth buying. Thank you so much. Bye bye.